Hey guys, how is everybody this evening? Hope you're all doing well. I am still fighting this cold. I finally went to the doctor today, so I have my tea here, and hopefully it'll keep me from hacking and such while I do this. So, if you watched or were a part of my last chance first glance party on Sunday, then you already saw a few pictures of some things. My shipment with some of the new stuff came today. In fact, I had a hard time choosing which things to show you. But I decided this time, and don't worry, there will be more coming, but I decided this time it made the most sense to start with the little things. Because why not? These are the things that, to me, you could use for so many different uses, and you know, their size, of course, helps facilitate that as well as other things. So yeah, so we're going to start with little things. You will also see some new prints as I do this. Like I said, I couldn't do everything. I wish I could, because I'm so excited. The box I got today, it was like Christmas. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and show you the little ones to start with. So, excuse me a second. Excuse me. So, all right, clear clip pouch is the first thing we're going to talk about. Okay, now this is the pouch, and oh, I meant to grab. Hold on a second. Mini zipper pouch, just so we can use this. We're going to use this as a comparison throughout the live. Just because I think most of you have seen our mini zipper pouches, so that'll kind of help. So this is the clear clip pouch. This is a mini zipper pouch, so it is a little longer. It is also a little flatter. It will actually, okay, but you can kind of see, that kind of shows you the size there, okay? Move back a little bit, all right? Now, this is $12, which is a really good deal, because let me show you something. So that is actually a clear pocket in the front where you can put something, like say you're going to the pool or whatever, and you just need to have your ID out front so that you can see it through there. And it's a thermal. So this is a little handy dandy there. Oh, and look at this, another pocket in the back. So very handy. It's got a beaner on it, so you can clip it onto a stroller or onto another bag or something like that. And for $12, I mean, what a deal. And it is, of course, wipeable. It comes in 5 different prints. This is the new, see, I don't know the names of them yet. This is the new Vista Stripe. I think other than the black, every print that it comes in is one of the new prints. So that's one of our new little ones. Then we have the Light Traveler Wallet. Now this is similar to the clip wallet and stuff we've had before. Now I did not take this off yet. Like I said, these came today. Let's see if I can get that off. There we go. This is called, like I said, it's the Light Traveler Card Wallet is the full name. And it's $18 because they're all faux leather, so that's why it's just a little bit more. But this would be great for like a college student, or if you're just going to like a quick trip to a park or the zoo or something for a day. It'd be great for that. It also clips on something else. Handy dandy there. So you could have like one of our cinch sacks or something and then do that. Isn't that great? It has a zipper pouch here. You can see, kind of holds some cards there, and a couple of little card things in the front too. So not bad at all. And again, that's $18. It comes in 3 different prints. They're all the faux leather. Again, we're going to use this mini zipper pouch as an example. So that kind of shows you the size of it. So it's just big enough to kind of hold a few cards and stuff. Like I said, great for like a day trip to the zoo or something when you don't want to carry a whole wallet, because most people don't need their checkbook or something at the zoo or for a day trip. And then these little things, I love them. Here's 2 of them. This is the Denim Distressed. This is that, look at that. That's kind of, I love this color. I really, really do. The Denim Distressed. And this one is the Sweet Blossom Pebble. There's also a Rose Blush, which is a more pinky pink, like a, I do have a few things in that. like a baby, I don't want to say baby pink, but a brighter, lighter colored pink, whereas this is more of a mauve kind of color. And these are called the Petite Poof. How cute is that? And they're $12 each. They come obviously in these two. They come in the rose blush and a black. So 4 different ones on that. And then again, let's compare this here. So they're pretty little things, but how handy are they with their little clip here? So again, it could be clipped on something. You throw, you know, a lip gloss or some, and a few things in there. Just for a couple of little things, this would be great for kids to throw just a few small things in there. Although I will say the size of them, they wouldn't be long enough, I don't think, to hold like a crayon or something. They have to be pretty little stuff, but what a cute little thing. Similar to something we had, although these are the faux leather, those were not, at Christmas time, but they would be great for like a cruise or a trip, when you just want to throw maybe a couple dollars and a lip gloss. This would be good for that, because again, it clips onto something, so you can just clip it on to something else, like a sling or something like that, and just clip it in, and there you go. Then you don't have to carry a whole wallet or anything, just to carry a few things. So like I said, I have so many more, and I'm so excited to tell you to show the others too, but you know, this video would go on forever if I showed you everything tonight. Plus, you know, gotta have a little bit of anticipation. So I did want to tell you though, as far as the last chance first glance, you can still get in there and kind of check things out, look at what I've posted in there and stuff. There will still be contests running until that party closes, which is not till the end of next week, so that you could order from the new catalog if you want. If you have any questions, if you do want to see an item, like you're looking at potentially ordering an item, or you need something for a particular thing, or you want to see a new print, I have at least one thing in most of the new prints. Not everything, but almost everything. Excuse me. Sorry. I can show you most of it if you're looking for something. Or if you just have any questions. Unfortunately, we had a little bit of a glitch with the catalogs, and they accidentally sent me the winter ones instead of the spring ones. So the spring ones are now on their way, but I don't have the physical ones yet. However, I can still send you the virtual one. I do have the virtual one ready to go. So, and if you take the virtual one, you also get a $5 off coupon, which, you know, it's nothing to sneeze at. So let me know again if you have any questions, especially with the new catalog coming up. Do not forget, while we get one extra day this February, at the end of the night on Saturday night, this winter catalog is done. So don't miss out if there's something you're looking to get, especially something that's leaving. Again, that last chance first glance party is the best place to go to look at what's leaving us. Everything that is leaving is pictured in there. If you go to photos, you can scroll through there and you'll see that. So, and again, don't ever hesitate if you have any questions. Have a great evening, guys. Bye.